Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Today I want to show you a 2012 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer. We're here on the back transom of it right now, which is a popular spot for how we use our boats in North Texas. Families love to hang out and swim. One of the cool features about this boat is you got this really easy pop out little transom seat, little love seat, bench seat here on the back. As you notice too, we do have the nice teak on the swim platform, a really nice nautical look. A lot of seating in the Sea Ray. What I like about it is it does have the flip over table, give you some more room to move around inside the boat, but also the steps and walkways going up to the bow. Two ways to get to the bow. These nice steps, really wide walkway, but also through the center walk through windshield, you can go that way too. So it really opens up your options how to get to the bow. A lot of good seating here. Sea Ray feature they do in a lot of their boats is when we do get anchored out like we are now, have the whole family and your friends right here together. The seat is really cool. You can just swing it around. Everybody's together in one area hanging out. While you're out here, if you want to grill, got a Kenya grill. The boat's got a nice refrigerator on it, storage down there. Great area to spend the afternoon right here. Let's move up here and I'll show you the helm. That locks at different positions. This boat has twin Merc Cruiser 496. These are the V drives. So if you're thinking about saltwater, anything like that, there's less maintenance on a V drive boat, so there's some advantages there to you. But also this is a fly-by-wire, so it's really smooth and easy to control the boat. Actually performs very, very well with these big engines on it. You got a windlass up front, you got the sun pads, you got the remote spotlight. Very nice bow, like I said too, if you want to get up to the bow. The center windshield swings open. You can close the door. Easy and safe to get up to the bow to get to those sun pads. Let's go take a look down below. As you can see when you first walk down, this Sea Ray has the option for the privacy bulkhead wall forward. So if you got kids on the boat or another guest on the boat and you really want a privacy more so than a curtain, this bulkhead wall is really nice. It does have a full-size bed up in the bow, but you can easily slide these doors over to give you privacy if somebody's sleeping in the aft, or if you pull out this sofa, somebody can be sleeping there as well. That is on a power actuator, so right now you have room to go up into the bow and move around, but when it's nighttime, time to go to bed, you hit a button. It'll slide down, so you got a full-size bed forward. I really love the counter space. A lot of room here. You do have a nice refrigerator that's built in behind the cabinet, and it's oversized. Really nice. You got a double electric grill, but so much room to put food and snacks, entertaining. Very big counter space. I really do like that. And then the sofa on here, it's a great size. You can probably put 4 or 6 people across there. Again, this can slide in, make into a third bed too. There's a table that goes here. And like most of our Sea Rays, it does have the convertible mid cabin. So you have some L-shaped seating back there. It slides in and makes it to another bed. Also has a TV back there, and you got a TV here. I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax. This is a brokerage boat, 2012. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to give me a call or anyone at MarineMax. Thank you.